Welcome to Home Design Channel. Step into a realm of boundless creativity, where architectural innovation, breathtaking interior-exterior designs, and awe-inspiring home decorations converge to redefine the essence of living.
Today, we start a journey about the worlds of modern art and rustic interiors seamlessly collide, giving birth to a space that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also tells a unique story of artistic harmony. In this video, we will explore the enchanting realm of design, unlocking the secrets to effortlessly integrating modern artworks into the timeless charm of rustic living spaces. Chapter 1. Unlocking the Aesthetics. We begin by unraveling the visual appeal of combining modern art with rustic interiors. Modern art's clean lines, bold colors, and abstract forms bring a contemporary flair that beautifully complements the organic textures and earthy tones of rustic design. Discover how these seemingly disparate elements can coexist to create a balanced and captivating atmosphere. Chapter 2. Showcasing the Fusion. Step inside as we showcase real-life examples of homes that have masterfully merged modern art with rustic decor. From living rooms adorned with striking abstract paintings, to bedrooms featuring contemporary sculptures against weathered wood backdrops, each space narrates a tale of artistic synergy. Learn how to select and position artworks to enhance the rustic charm without overwhelming the space. Chapter 3. DIY Projects for Artistic Expression. For the creative enthusiasts, we delve into DIY projects that allow you to infuse your rustic interiors with a touch of modern art. From handmade sculptures using reclaimed materials to customized canvas art that mirrors the natural elements of your surroundings, these projects enable you to become the artist of your own living space. Chapter 4. Color Palette and Lighting Strategies. Understanding the importance of a cohesive color palette, we guide you through selecting colors that bridge the gap between modern art and rustic interiors. Additionally, discover how strategic lighting can accentuate artworks, creating focal points that elevate the overall ambience of your home. Chapter 5. The Balancing Act. A harmonious integration of modern art into rustic interiors requires a delicate balance. We provide some examples on furniture selection, layout, arrangement, and maintaining a consistent theme. Uncover the secrets to achieving an eclectic yet unified look that resonates with both modern sensibilities and rustic warmth. The essence of this unique amalgamation lies in the ability to strike a delicate balance between the raw, natural allure of rustic interiors and the contemporary vibrancy of modern art. By intertwining these two worlds, you not only create a visually stunning environment, but also tell a story. A story that celebrates the evolution of design, blurring the lines between tradition and innovation. One of the critical lessons learned is the importance of selecting artworks that resonate with the overall theme of your rustic space. This conscious curation ensures that every element in your home becomes a harmonious piece of a larger, artful puzzle. Remember, the heart of this integration lies in your personal touch, enabling you to infuse your living spaces with a reflection of your unique style. As we bid farewell to this adventure, we invite you to subscribe for more inspiring content that celebrates the intersection of design, art, and lifestyle. Your home is not just a shelter, it's a canvas waiting to be painted with the strokes of your personality. Embrace the freedom to experiment, the joy of discovery, and the satisfaction of creating a home that resonates with your soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next inspirational videos. Thank you for watching.